The silver to gold ratio says, pack your bags to swap out. The momentum is shifting. This is exciting for all of us who are so frustrated with that 2,400, even more. That record high for gold is making it unreachable for regular people to stack gold anymore. Check this out. This is Kitco. It says gold to silver ratio to fall, look at this, to 75 points by year end. That's according to Bank of America. Kitco says the recent significant profit taking in gold had an outsized effect on silver prices. However, volatility in the market is starting to calm. We're absolutely seeing that with our stagnant silver price these past few weeks, with growing expectations that the Fed will cut interest rates by the end of the quarter. We're talking about September. That's keeping everybody feeling a bit more calm, and it's definitely making me feel a little more calm. In this environment, according to this article, in this environment, commodity analysts at Bank of America, led by precious metal analysts, expect silver to find its footing and once again outperform the yellow metal. Check out where they see the silver to gold ratio coming to. This is really exciting. If you're enjoying this video, please hit like, please hit subscribe. If you're let me get my phone from making all this noise. Thanks. Please hit subscribe. I post 2 videos per day, at least 2 videos. That's not even including my other channels. So if you're liking this silver news, you want to keep up, this is how you find out what's going on. We go to YouTube and we get all of our real information. So hit that subscribe button. Check out these videos. I post them all the time. Let's keep going. Now, although silver is more volatile because it is a smaller market, it appears to have stronger fundamental support. Now, check this out. The comments come as gold, right here, as gold prices have managed to push back above 2,400 an ounce. Every time I say that, it makes me just lose my breath a bit. I mean, it's incredible, 2,400 an ounce. While silver tests resistance around 29, that's where we've been. We've been at that $29 an ounce. And if I'm feeling this way, I know you're feeling this way. I'm starting to get that sense that we've had the past 2 years where we were hovering between 22 and $24 an ounce. I'm starting to feel that way with this $27 to $29 an ounce window. It's really frustrating, but there's good news to come. I'm going to tell you in a minute. So gold's recent outperformance pushed the gold to silver ratio to a 2-month high. Look at this, almost 87 ounces of silver for 1 ounce of gold. That is a big spread. However, here we go. Momentum is starting to shift as the spotlight is once again put on silver. The gold to silver ratio currently trades at about 84.3 points. Now, Bank of America currently sees silver averaging around 28 an ounce this year. The average price is expected to jump sharply, I believe this, to $34.50 an ounce. I believe that in 2025. I think we'll be seeing even north of that. Now, just look at the outcome from the elections coming up. That's going to take a bit to spin off, and that always leaves precious metals a bit more volatile, especially when we have an election like we do coming up. People are feeling really uneasy, and it's not like they're going to feel at ease immediately once the election is over. So that absolutely is going to impact precious metals. Here, let's get to China, because China is having a big impact on the price of silver as they've really stopped accumulating precious metals the past 2 months. Not forever, but for the past 2 months, they've really put it on hold. This says China's silver consumption has strengthened due to rising usage from solar, of course, while domestic silver production has slowed because the country's smelters face tight global mine supply. The import backdrop has also improved in other countries. Look at this, because not just the U.S. right here, but the U.S. and Japan have boosted silver purchases from abroad. So even though Japan is struggling with their currency, we've seen that for the past 2 years, at least, they are still consuming silver. And it's all for this industrial use, for the green revolution. Solar panel manufacturers have increased their silver usage in recent years, with the China photovoltaic industry estimating that China's solar PV sector consumed 220 million ounces last year, or 18%. Look at this, 18% of the global silver demand. We only have a finite amount of silver, and we have a massive demand for silver. So China consumed 18%. It's just one country. Oh my gosh. You know, that's why when they stopped consuming silver the past 2 months, everyone is really looking at China through a magnifying glass to see where this is going to go. The shortfalls are nothing new, but silver prices have been range bound between 2020 and the first quarter of 2024. This is what I was just saying, around $23.50 an ounce. And again, looking at the silver to gold ratio tightening in 2025, if Bank of America is not alone, there's been other analysts that are saying that they see a $74 to $75, around 74.75 to 1. That's the ratio that they see coming, and I'll take 75 to 1 over 86 or 85. That makes a huge difference. And I am one of those silver stackers that throughout my career of silver stacking, there's many times that I've swapped my silver for gold. Many times. I'm one of those guys. So I do follow the silver to gold ratio. Again, hit that subscribe button. Get this silver news. I'm always posting videos. I don't want you to miss it. This is really important stuff, and this is what we need to look at as we stack silver. Hit subscribe, hit the like button. I will see you guys on the next one.